Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Here you will learn about the use of group command in AutoCAD. Before beginning our tutorial, let us understand the use of group command. It is used to make group among drawings in AutoCAD. Now make a rectangle with IDC command and make it stable on our drawing. Then make a circle with C command, but remember to place it nearby to the rectangle. After completing the circle, then type G to activate the group command. Afterwards a dialog is appearing. Now fill up credentials, then press New. After selecting the New button, the dialog is disappear. Now select the circle first, then similarly select the rectangle. After selecting both shapes, now press Enter key to make them stable. For checking the group command functionality, use Move command. Moreover, try to replace your drawing in another direction. I hope you understand the use of group command. So please do subscribe and like our YouTube video. Thanks.